Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Audi A3 Sport Sportback. Now this vehicle is currently on 71,624 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Monsoon Grey, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now taking a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front, you have your halogen headlights. They do look extremely nice. Now around to the side, the vehicle does sit very nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror, and up top you do have roof rails if you want to add things like a roof box, for example. Now take a look inside here to the rear. You've got your nice cloth interior. You've got nice quilted in the centre of the seats, and there are ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. There's also rear air conditioning vents as well. You have rear parking sensors to give you added confidence when reverse parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings to the rear of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see. Now open up the boot, you've got a very nice amount of boot space. You can easily fit a set of golf clubs in here or a weekly shop. There are tethering points so you can tie any loads down if you need to. You have a handle up top allowing you to close the boot very easily. You have your A3 TDI badge in there at the rear. Now let's take a look inside here at the front. You have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. And you do have your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You have an armrest there in the centre for comfort when driving. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating, and there's folding as well, so you can fold the mirrors in to keep them protected. It's handy if you're parking on a narrow road, as it can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. Now on the dashboard here, you do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. You have your wiper stalk there. You have some controls for your radio. You also have some controls here for the digital display in between the dials in the instrument cluster. You can scroll through your trip information. You can also access radio and your Bluetooth phone menu. It's a very nice feature to have, and it has some colour to it as well. You have your indicator stalk there. You also have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Now in the centre here you have your infotainment screen. It's controlled using the spinning dial and buttons in the centre console. It's very easy to scroll through to find your different things, and you also have shortcut toggles for quick access to different menus. You can access DAB, FM and AM radio. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations, and with DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so you can enjoy all of your favourite stations nice and clearly. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have Bluetooth along with SD input. There's also CD. You also have Audi music interface as well. There is navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease with the easy to follow guidance. You have your speed limit on there as well, so you can be sure you're going the right speed limit on the road if you're conscious about not breaking any laws. You have your Bluetooth phone menu here, so you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go and keep up to date with wherever you need to. You have some driver assist features here where you can access your parking aid along with a rest recommendation that alerts you to take a break when driving long periods of time. You can also make adjustments to your rear volume of the parking sensors. You have Audi Drive Select with individual, dynamic, auto, comfort and efficiency. These change the vehicle's performance and handling depending on your driving mood to enhance your driving experience. Now below here you do have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. Prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, so everyone can travel comfortably in this vehicle. It's very easy to make adjustments to it with each button clearly labelled. You have buttons for defrost in the front and rear windscreens as well. You can also recircle the air and change the direction of airflow. They have your manual gear selector along with your infotainment controls. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi A3 Sport Sportback. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.